How's it going, Caspa family? Thank you so much for all the love, especially to the people that are still here. Let's take a look at what's happening with the price of Caspa as we are going into Sunday morning. So if we're looking across the board, the broader market did see a little bit of a bounce, which again I'm sure no one's really complaining about, especially for what we have seen on Friday, where we did see the market see a little bit of a retracement. But if you're looking at Caspa, it's still down about 3%. Yes, the broader market is up, but Caspa is still seeing a retracement of about 3% on the daily time frame, as you could see for yourself. And on the weekly time frame right now as well, we are down about 12.3%. Let's take a closer look and see what's happening with the price of Caspa. Before we do that, as always, just a quick disclaimer. Anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So you're looking at the price of Caspa sitting still above 5 cents, almost 5.1 cents. We're down about 2.8% on the Bitcoin side of things as well. The valuation $1.36 billion with the 24-hour trading volume at only $20 million. Again, we're going to briefly go over, what's happening with the Bitcoin dominance. As far as the dominance is concerned, pretty much ranging. If you take a look at it on October, sorry, wait. Where did October come from? December. So, if you're looking at it from December, you can see, we are pretty much ranging around this range, December 4th, within this key level. And, we've seen several retests at the likes of 59.13% every single time. So far, we have seen a little bit of a bounce for the dominance, because if we drop below there is a strong chance that, the dominance could start pushing down to the 58.5% mark. So, again, as of now, the overall dominance is still ranging here, but we'll see what happens as we do go into this upcoming week, which of course is very important due to the FOMC meeting. As far as Bitcoin is concerned, of course, it's still remaining below the 0.50 fib zone, as you can see for yourself. We're still ranging, within this pattern, pretty much since December 5th. And, we saw one retest yesterday at $90,340. And you can clearly see we did see a rejection at that range, but still accumulating within this level at $89,000 above the key support line. So now let's say this level does not hold. There is a strong chance that, we do push down to $88,400 price point. And you would expect that level to hold, because of course, as of now, the price has not retested. We did go below it, but didn't really manage to see that close below it. And that's kind of really showing you the importance of that key support line. But right now, we're still ranging around the $89,000 price point. But again, I still do expect a little bit more volatility going into the meeting itself. So I am still not thinking that, we're out of the woods yet, because of course, the FOMC meeting is taking place on Tuesday. So I think leading up to that, there is still some shaky price action that could still end up happening. With that said, if you're looking at Caspa, Caspa's price right now, again, it is sitting at 5 cents. Psychological level, we're sitting above it. I don't want you guys to focus on this pattern. I want you guys to kind of go back in time and take a look at, where the support really is coming from. Pretty much going back to, August of 2023. This was an all-time high at one point. And of course, that resistance played out once again, when we were trying to see Caspa breaking out. And that was a rejection, believe it or not, back in September of 23. Came down to 4 cents, and that's where things really started going crazy in quarter four of 23. And of course, rest is history for Caspa after that. So that exact same level right now is playing as a support for us right now. So that resistance playing as a support, again, pretty much confirming the importance of that key range. So pretty much if you kind of zoom in and take a look at, the Caspa's price, of course, Caspa's price is one of the coins that has done quite well for itself since November 21st, lows. And from there, it's still up right now about 40%. But of course, it was up more. It was up 74% just at the end of November. But since then, the price has retraced, you could say about 20%. So again, not bad. But look where we're being supported by right now. We're pretty much seeing a double bottom for the month of December. And what I mean by that is take a look at it for yourself. We retested this on December 1st around the 5 cents price point. Then, of course, we saw that big bounce right after, because, of course, on December 1st, we did see a pullback for the broader market, because November last year of November, you could see, we did see this major retracement, but things did recover quite fast. And if you want to put this into perspective for Caspa, Caspa saw a bounce of 17.2%, but we're pretty much kind of finding ourselves back down to exactly those levels where we were on December 1st. The reason why we're seeing a retracement is because, of course, Bitcoin did not hold around the point 50. And again, dominance did show quite a bit strength from November 26th level. So again, these are factors we kind of want to keep in mind. But as of now, the price still ranging around here. Of course, you don't really want to see the price dropping below the 5 cents price point. Last time we were at that range was November 25th. But if this does not hold, there is a strong chance that 7 cents could be retested, and that itself is a move of about 6.3% from where we currently are. Again, we haven't really retested that price point since November 25th, but if we don't hold around this support line and we lose the 5 cents price point, this could definitely become a reality. So we got to kind of keep that in mind. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys personally think. Thank you so much for all your support, and we'll see you later. It's been Crypto ZX and peace.